She kind of talked about being like presenting yourself as friendly and making eye contact and really like your hand movements and everything to get across to the person. And so I'd never really realized how important that was before.
It's kind of opened my eyes about just first impressions, communicating with people that you don't really know on such a personal level. Job interviews, going off to schools, just really anywhere in life.
It was a good session on how to like communicate with people with the eye contact and the social like body language, and just how to hold a conversation with somebody, because a lot of times when you're talking to somebody it's hard to carry on like a conversation. So she discussed these 5 different tips just to help get a conversation going.